This event is increasing every day, and bringing many problems to humanity. This change is nothing more than the long-term transformation in temperature and climate patterns. This change may be natural, but since the 18th century human activities and attitudes have been the main cause. The human being himself is collaborating in the increase of this catastrophe. How do we do it? For attitudes that can be clearly seen that are harmful, such as cutting down forests and burning, for example. Or for simple things that we do every day, like the use of cars, trucks, planes that help us in transport but use fossil fuel, the manufacture of products such as cement and iron that cause this fuel to burn. Food production requires energy that comes from the same fuel. Excessive consumption generates excessive waste. The decomposition of this waste produces methane gas. This burning of fossil fuel and production of methane gas generates the emission of greenhouse gases that cover the earth and retain the heat of the sun, thus causing climate change and global warming. The world is heating up faster every day. According to the WMO, World Meteorological Organization, the last 6 years were the warmest since 1888. In 2020 it was 1.2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial. A 20% increase in temperature is predicted for 2024, reaching 1.5 degrees Celsius above the appropriate temperature. That year in Switzerland, 6% of the volume of glaciers was lost, increasing the volume of sea water. It was the largest amount ever melted at one time, according to the study by the Cryospheric Commission, CC, of the Swiss Academy of Sciences. That ice will only get worse each year and could bring about the end of glaciers. All this global warming brings us human beings many problems, like drought causing hunger in many places. In other situations, the rain comes suddenly and in abundance, bringing hurricanes, floods, flooding homes and making families lose everything. Among the problems are also the diseases that this warming provides and aggravates, such as respiratory, renal and vascular diseases due to the high concentration of CO2 in the atmosphere. The reduction of electrical energy, making the switch to solar energy, would be a great help. Making this solar energy cheaper would make more people use it and would contribute a lot to reduce the greenhouse effect. Reforestation is also one of the solutions, because trees absorb CO2, which is one of the greenhouse gases, and releases oxygen, which is essential for human life. And the most important thing is people's awareness, because it depends a lot on changes in actions to be able to change this situation.